Let us understand the term lease, and also let us see what is the motivation behind leasing any asset as compared to purchasing the asset. Okay, so first let's understand the term lease. What does it mean? Lease is a contractual arrangement between two parties, lessor and lessee, okay, wherein the party lessor allows the other party lessee to use a particular asset for a particular period of time in return of payment to the other party lessor. Okay, so that is about the term lease. So lease is of two types: financing lease and operating lease. Okay, in financing lease, here the purchasing of asset is financed through debt. Okay, and here, so here the lessee, the party lessee, has to recognize this amount both on the asset side and the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, but over the period of the over the leasing period, what happens, the depreciation amount will be recognized on the asset side and interest expense will be recognized on the liability side. So that is about financing lease. In operating lease, it is a rental agreement wherein no liability will be recognized on the liability side of balance sheet. Just the item rental expense, which will be the periodical payment for the usage of the particular asset, will be paid to the other party lessor by lessee. Okay, so that is about operating lease. Now we will see what are the benefits of leasing any asset. Okay, first is the reduced cost. That, like here, the lessee doesn't have to pay any down payment to the other party lessor. Okay, so the lessee can conserve that cash. Second is the less risk of obsolescence. That is, here, at the end of leasing period, the lessee, the party lessee, can return the asset to the lessor. Okay, and third is the off balance sheet liabilities. Off balance sheet liability, in operating lease, what happens, the liability will not be mentioned on the balance sheet, on the liability side. So here what happens, the leverage ratio is less as compared to the financial lease. Okay, and fourth is the this tax reporting purpose or advantages. For tax reporting purpose, what happens, in US generally, firms create a synthetic lease. Okay, wherein the asset will be recognized as a owned asset. So here the lessee, what it does for tax purposes, it reduces the interest expense and depreciation expense for the tax reporting purpose, and for financial reporting purpose, it doesn't recognize any liability, only rental expense will be deducted from the income statement. Okay, and the last benefit is it is a less restrictive provision. That is, here both the parties, lessor and lessee, come together, negotiate the terms which will suit to both the parties, and ultimately it will be mentioned on the lease agreement. Okay, so these are the major benefits of lease. Okay, so that is about it for today's session. Thank you very much.